Hi guys, in the last lecture we learned about what are the tables in HTML. Now in this lecture we talk about what are links and how to use them in HTML. So first get rid of these table tags. I simply select on and backspace. Here I save it. Now links are starts with a tag. So I write in a paragraph because paragraph use our 100% width, so that's why I write in paragraph. So in paragraph I write a tag, I write a tag anchor tag. So I write here a tag, and now you see our a tag, that is open tag here, and now that is a close tag. So first in open tag there is an attribute called href or href. So in href attribute, I write here in double quotation the address where we want to go. So first I addressed of google.com. So I write here https://google.com. Here is the address of google.com, and in close first open tag I write here Google and save it. And if I refresh, you can see here Google is our link in browser. So if I click on Google, now you see we go to google.com, that redirect us to google.com. So now I back here, and in the next link I write another link, that is in p tag, and in p tag I write a tag. Now in href I want to go to another browser, but for this now we use image. So if I click on image, that will go to a certain browser. So I write here, now I write here https://www.wikipedia. Now we go to a wikipedia.org. So that is the address of wikipedia.org. So if I click on it, we go to a wikipedia.org. Now this time we use image, and in a tag I use a image tag. Now this time we use image. So if I click on image, we go to a wikipedia.org. So for this I write an image tag. Now the source is here, I use an image. So this is our source, charliechaplin.jpg. This is our file name, image. So if I click on, so write charliechaplin.jpg and save it. Now if I refresh, you can see here, now our image is in here. So that is a cursor on image. If I hover on this image, if I click on it, now we go to a wikipedia.org because we link it here, and in a tag we use a image instead of a link. Now in third, if I write here p tag, and in p tag I write a tag, and in href we want address of, instead of I write a domain names, another domain names, I write here you can see our in HTML folder another file hello-world.html. So now I link this. So I write here a file name, that is hello-world.html, and here I write a hello. I write a hello world and save it. Now if I refresh, you can see here hello world is here. If I click on it, now we go to a certain file, that's content we show here, welcome to programmer world, because in hello world I write these welcome to programmer world. Now this is the second tag. Third tag, if I use a plenty of links, so for this I copy here and refresh, paste it here and save it. Now refresh. Now our browser has a scrolling because I want to show something to you. So here our lot of images. Now you see in most websites that we go to bottom and here you find a certain button. If you click on it, you go to on top. Now I want to show them these. So if I write here paragraph tag, and in paragraph tag I write a tag, and in a tag, now for this, if I go to top and here in first tag, that is our Google tag in which we address our Google. So in p tag here, p tag, I write here ID and call it top. Not worry about these ID because we learn more about in CSS. Now for this time you simple write here ID is equal to top. Now in bottom that we use here a href. In href we link now our ID, and for ID in web development or HTML or CSS we show them hash. Hash represent the ID. So I write here top because here our ID name is top. I write here link them hash top, and in a tag I write go to top and save it. Now if I refresh and here in the bottom you see go to top, and if I click on it I go to top. You notice again I go to bottom and right click go to top. Now I go to top. That is a first tag. These type of tags that we here link some other websites or some other domains, we call it absolute tag. Now in the third tag we link a hello world.html because this is our folder file, this is our own website file. So we call these type of tags are called relative tags. And the last one that we used in our page, because this is our page and that we use in a page different section, we call these type of tags anchor tags. So here we end the lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.